Even at the 101 level, I find that a significant number of students have a pattern of run-together sentences. What is a run-together sentence? Well, it's made up of two or more sentences written as if they were one. Here's a really simple example. Andrea likes to eat, she hates to cook. Andrea likes to eat is a complete sentence. She hates to cook is a complete sentence. They're fused with a comma and presented as if they were one, but they're not. They're two complete sentences. If you're not sure what a complete sentence is, I recommend that you go and watch the video on fragments and complete those exercises before you come here. So if you do have this pattern, all you need to learn to do is to identify run-togethers and fix them, and there are 5 different ways to fix them. The first way is with a period and a capital letter. Andrea likes to eat, period. She hates to cook. The second way is with a semicolon, which is a full stop, just like a period. You don't need the capital after it. The difference between the two is that a semicolon usually indicates a tighter connection thematically between the two sentences. It's almost like you're saying these two sentences are so thematically linked that I don't want to completely separate them, so I'm going to use a semicolon. Andrea likes to eat, semicolon. She hates to cook. The third way is with a comma and a fanboys. What is a fanboys? Well, it's an acronym to help you remember the coordinating conjunctions for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. And when joining two complete sentences with a coordinating conjunction, you always need a comma before the fanboys. Here's an example. Andrea likes to eat, comma, but she hates to cook. The fourth way is with a dependent word, and in your grammar book you surely have a list of dependent words. There are many, many of them, although, until, after, because, when are just a few. So to use one to correct a run together, you create a dependent clause out of one of your complete sentences. Although Andrea likes to eat, she hates to cook. The fifth way is with a semicolon or a period and a transitional word, like therefore, meanwhile, however. Andrea likes to eat, semicolon, however, comma. She hates to cook. All right, so now I want you to give it a try. You can pause this video while you come up with your answer, but I want you to use method 3, a comma and a fanboys, to correct the above run together sentence. And go ahead and pause now to figure it out. The sun is shining, comma, but the day is cool. Now I want you to use method 4, use a dependent word to make one of the sentences into a dependent clause to correct this run together. Go ahead and pause the video. Though the sun is shining, the day is cool. Next, I would like you to use method 5, a semicolon and a transitional word to correct the run together. Go ahead and pause. The sun is shining, however, the day is cool. Now on your own, I want you to correct the run together sentences on the accompanying worksheet. And while you do that, you can go ahead and pause this video and then come back and we'll talk about it. All right, you're back. So let's take a look at this worksheet. So here